Now you'll notice that I have got a sudden halt at the moment. It's asking me what I want to do. It has found inside this file a Photoshop document which has layers. Now it's giving me the option to change the settings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to import the individual layers. I'm going to click OK. So what I now have in my Premiere Pro project panel, my media folder, because it's been imported into Premiere, this is now known as a bin. I'm going to drop this down and you can see that I have a subfolder containing my Dragon Boat logo and all of the sub layers within that file. I also have all the media ready to start my Premiere Pro project. Now we've loaded our media into our project panel, it will be useful to have a look at the actual content within the media folder itself. Now there is a hierarchy within the folder structure. You will see that we have these little drop down menus. If you double click on one of the bins, you will actually go into the content of that bin. You'll see here I've got my Dragon Boat Racing topmost level folder. I'm now looking within a folder within inside that structure, and you'll see here I've got an option to go back up the directory listing. If I want to view this in a little bit more detail, by double clicking on the name Dragon Boat Racing Media Bin, it will expand it to full screen view. Now this is common to all of the panels if you want to see more detail. We are now focusing on this panel. At the moment I am viewing this in what they call list view. You'll see down here, bottom left hand corner. Here I can switch into what they call icon view. Icon view will display small thumbnails of any videos that you've imported.